Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how we can reset Windows 11 PC. Make sure you are logged in as administrator. Let's get started. Click on Start menu and you can find settings in the pinned items, or you can search settings in the search bar. Click on Windows Update in the left menu. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Recovery in Additional Options. Here you have option Reset this PC. Click on that one. Now you have two options, Keep My Files and Remove Everything. In Keep My Files, it will remove all the settings and all the apps installed, but it will keep your personal files which are in your profile. If you will select Remove Everything, then it will install Remove Everything including your profile, and it's like a brand new computer. Factory reset. Let's click on Remove Everything. Now you will be presented with two options. One is cloud download and one is local reinstall. If you want to choose cloud download, that means it will download the Windows operating system from the internet and then it will install, and which will have the latest updates. Just make sure that you have a very good internet speed, because the size of this download will be more than 4 GB. Other option, you can choose local reinstall, which will be installed from your own hard disks. Let's click on cloud download. Click next. You will get message resetting will remove the personal files and user accounts on this PC, remove any changes made to the settings, remove all apps and programs, download and reinstall Windows. We already choose this option. Cloud download can more than 2.73 GB of data. Click on reset. Downloading process will start, and once the process will finish, it will restart your PC automatically. Once the process will complete, which can take around 30 to 45 minutes, you will see this screen. And this is the same screen when you buy a new laptop or you format a laptop. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do not forget to like and subscribe this channel.